Hey, so this is Healthy by Heath. Tonight we're going to be making a Mexican meatball soup with rice in the meatballs, which I've never done before or even thought about. But I have a friend, and my friend challenged me to do this. Actually, she did not challenge me to do this. I said I was going to do this, and then we would put it to a taste test. So, my mistake. But what we're going to do is we're going to follow, she gave me her ingredients, which she uses all the time. Some of it were canned goods. Obviously, I can't do canned goods, so we'll be putting in my own Healthy by Heath hot sauce instead of the canned goods. Besides that, there's a few other changes that I've made. I'll keep them secret for now, but as we go through the process, you'll see them, and then hopefully we'll get a side-by-side tasting, and we'll see not really which one's better because they're both gonna be great, but obviously mine's gonna be more fresh and probably a little bit more delicious, and probably definitely a lot more love put into it. So hopefully you can taste that, or at least the judges might be able to, if there's judges. We don't know if there's gonna be judges yet, so we'll see. But I think that loving how you do it, caring how you do it, making it fresh means everything. I really do. I think it makes a big difference. I think it doesn't make up for all the salt and sugar and other things that are in all the other stuff, but I do think you'll taste the freshness, and I do think your family will really appreciate it.